United Health sinks 23% after slashing outlook, a guidance cut, sicker seniors and surprise costs wiped out 150 billion like a billing error. And this happens to occur after United Health reported earnings missing expectations very badly. So another news that happened today was Trump wants Powell fired. So how did I make $7,826 just trading a couple of Amazon put options? So looking at Amazon for 4/15/23, 4/15/23. So 4/4/15/23. So basically, I bought a couple of Amazon put options at the 15:30 candle. The reason I bought Amazon put options here was because the Amazon throughout the whole entire day was having trouble breaking that 50-day moving average. So I bought a couple of Amazon put options here, and then I sold out on the 7th. And basically, when I sold out on the 7th, I made $7,826 trading Amazon put options. So basically, this was more of a swing trade. And looking at the 7th at 9:34. So basically, I sold it at the open. 4/7, which is literally here. So basically, I bought Amazon put options here. Time passes, right? And honestly, I would think that, I would have seen more downwards momentum. Wait, hold on. So basically, I sold that on the Monday because I'm pretty sure this is when the market was closed. Yeah, I'm pretty sure, yeah. So basically, I bought on Friday closing on April 4th, and basically when the market opened on Monday on April 7th, I sold out on my Amazon put options within like 3 or 4 minutes as soon as the market opened. So I sold out. The reason was because I was like, okay, the position is down tremendously. I mean, not down tremendously, it's up tremendously. So I just rather, get out, move on to the next trade, and try to analyze what stocks I can trade. So basically, another thing that I looked into in this trade was I analyzed the pattern of the of Amazon. So basically, I looked at for example 4/4, right? When I saw that Amazon on the 4-hour time chart, both candles got stuck under, or both candles got rejected by the 9-day moving average. I immediately knew that, okay, this probably signals that by Monday, Amazon is going to still continue that continuation towards the downtrend. And basically pre-market, that's what it was doing. But as soon as it opened, it reverts to the upside and started going up. So basically, once I saw that, okay, it's trying to break out that 9-day moving average, I'm just gonna sell out the position. That way I can just secure my I can secure my profits, move on to the next trade, and I'm ready that I'm conscious that I know that it's time to exit out the trade. It looks like it's trying to retest that 9-day moving average on the 4-hour time chart, and it looks like it wants to break it. So I'm just gonna quickly sell out the position, not wait any longer, and move on to the next trade. Basically, you kind of want to have you want to know your risk tolerance. You want to know how much you want to lose on a position, how much you want to win on a position, based on your own technical analysis. Me personally, I like to observe longer trends of a particular stock on the 4-hour time chart. And then, for like swing trades or like just in general trades throughout the day, I like to use the 30-minute time chart. I feel like the 30-minute time chart is probably the best time chart to get into entry points when, trading in the market. For me personally, honestly. So looking at, the overall market, right? So there is one particular stock that we just talked about, which is UNH. UNH reported earnings. Their earnings expectations weren't that bad, but they missed. So basically, this caused for United Health to like crash tremendously. And so right now on the 4-hour time chart, it is below all of the moving averages. So where do I see, UNH going from here? There could be a possibility that we could see a run towards the upside, but that's just hypothetically saying, because I do feel like this dump was kind of over exaggerated, like over 20% downs for the day. So it's just kind of crazy that did kind of happen today. So honestly, I personally feel like we could see a bounce either this, tomorrow or next week. And where do I see, UNH approaching? Basically, if UNH does see a rebound tomorrow or by next week, right? Me personally, I see UNH approaching the 9-day moving average first. If it gets rejected by the 9-day moving average, then there could be a possibility that UNH will have trouble continuing that uptrend. So I will keep an eye on UNH, and I will personally add it to the April watch list, because honestly, this is a good deal. They have a good paying dividend of $2.10 per share. So honestly, this is a company that's just going to stay forever. I honestly don't think that UNH is going to disappear anytime soon. So honestly, keep an eye on UNH. This is I feel like it's a really good steal, honestly. So looking at the Magnificent Seven, pretty much Apple, I would say, is still in a downtrend. Same with SPY, same with Tesla, same with Meta, same with Amazon, same with Microsoft, same with Google, same with Nvidia, and the VIX. The VIX is trying its best to, hold itself above that 50-day moving average. It looks like it's having trouble breaking that 9-day moving average, but there could be a possibility it could use the 50-day moving average as support and bounce off of it. If that does happen, we could see SPY crash and then the VIX start spiking up. So that is pretty much it. If you guys want to learn how to trade options, purchase my ebook located at worldly41.gumroad.com. And if you want to search for stocks that are on sale, right, you can use this free screener. It's called finviz.com. And if you want to search for volatile options or options that have tons of volume, you can use this free website called barchart.com. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, take care. And as always, this is not financial advice. As always, take care. Bye.